Hello, Bobcats. We're going to learn how to complete an assignment that has an attached PDF and go ahead and submit it. Now remember, if you haven't submitted it yet, it doesn't count. So finish the work and then make sure you submit it to Schoology. So our learning target today is I can use Schoology to complete an attached PDF and submit it. Step 1, we need to read the directions and download the PDF. So in this particular kind of assignment, there's an attached PDF, and it says somewhere in the directions, right here, to complete the assignment that is attached. So what that means is we're going to need to download this so that we can complete it. So we're going to click right here, and we're going to load that PDF into Notability. Why is that? Because once we open it, we can see it, but we cannot complete it. There's nowhere you can click to type or anything like that. So you have to be able to upload it into Notability, which we're going to do in the upper right-hand corner here. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then we'll have a bunch of choices as to where we could open it. And we want to open it in Notability. So if you don't see that at the top, you'll just click on the screen that says More to get a longer menu, and we're going to pick Notability. So we're going to click on that. And then we're going to click Create New Note because this assignment stands alone. It's not part of something else. So we're going to click Create New Note, and then we're going to click Import. And then finally, the file will have been sent to Notability. Now, sometimes it opens up right away. Sometimes it just tells you it's in Notability. So in this case, it just told me it was in Notability. I'm going to click Done. And then I'm going to move over to Notability to open it and complete it. So here's Notability in this case. The way I got to that is I double-clicked the home button of my iPad, and you might have had your app already open, or maybe it's a closed app that you picked down here. Either way, open Notability. So we're going to go ahead and open that. And a good idea is to organize your work. So here it is. It's in my whole list of notes, but I want it to be in language arts because this happens to be a language arts assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click and drag and move it to language arts. Now, if you have not made subjects yet, it's easy to do. Just click plus right up here, click add subject, and then give it a title. But we're going to go ahead and click and drag. So here it is in my language arts folder now. I'm going to open that up to work on it. And the first thing I want to do is click T for text. That allows me to type on this assignment. I can type here or here or here or here. And then later on, if I really want to, I can also try some of the other things like drawing and highlighting and things like that. We're going to click the T so we can type. And then that gives us a box. We can drag that box anywhere we want on the paper, and we can make it any size we want, and then we can just click in it to go ahead and type our answers. So let's pretend we've done all of that already. We've completed all of our answers, and we've made sure our name is on it and all of that. And now, remember, we're finished with the assignment, but it doesn't count unless you turn it into Schoology. So we're going to click the little arrow up in the left-hand corner. We're going to click on that. And we want to pick Schoology. If Schoology is not listed, we go to Other Apps. We make sure that it is a PDF that we're turning in. And we click Share Note. And who do we want to share it with? Schoology, right? So we're going to drag this over until we find the Schoology app. And here it is, Copy to Schoology. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. We're going to click Submit to Assignment. Now, if you ever want to save it, you can put it here in your resources, but we're just submitting it right now. And we're clicking on the class we want to submit it to, the assignment we want to submit it to, and we click Upload. And we're done. So I know we went through that really quickly, but have you learned the target? If not, replay the video and pause whenever you need to. All right, mission accomplished.